Hi there, this is Aaron from Checkfront, and for this video I'm going to be showing you how to send multiple emails to different customers using your Checkfront account. So in order to do this, we'll need to create a status and a notification. So first, we'll go to Manage, Layout. From here, we're going to go to Statuses. We're going to create a new status by hitting this Add button. And for this status, I'm going to be calling it Email Sent. We'll be using the status to send emails, so I think that would be appropriate. Once you have your status, go ahead and save it. Next step is to go to Manage Notifications. From here, we're going to create a new notification. So when making a new notification, be sure to have the booking status set to the email sent status, the one that you create. Add the recipient and also add your message that you would want for this notification. Once you're done, hit save. Now that we have that, let's go to Booking Index. So on Booking Index, we'll be able to find the bookings that you want to send that notification that we just created to. So in here, create the filter that you need. So in this case for me, I've already set two different bookings to use. So once you have that view, go ahead and hit the circles just on the left of the line items within the booking index. So let's say we're going to go and send a notification for both these bookings. And then we're going to hit the bulk button and change the status to email sent. So as you can see, there is a deliver notifications button as well underneath, and have that check mark. This will allow us to send the notification that we just created to this bookings. Go ahead and hit confirm, and there we go. We can take a look at the bookings to see if they did get the email, and as you can see, the email was sent. I hope this helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out at support@checkfront.com. Thank you so much. Have a good one.